Question number 34. A cell with internal resistance is connected to an LDR. Okay, a fixed resistor and a voltmeter. Circuit is shown. The voltmeter reading increases. Voltmeter reading. When does voltmeter reading increase? It increases when this I into R increases. See, this R is not changing. Okay, only I is increasing. Okay, so definitely the current through the circuit is increasing. What is asked? The voltmeter reading increases. What quantity decreases? Now it's the opposite that's been asked. Okay, which quantity decreases as the voltmeter reading increases? When this is increasing, what is reducing? Okay, now see, let us read one by one. The charge moving through the cell per unit time, this is Q divided by T. What is this now? This current. What's happening to current? Current is increasing through the cell. Okay, that's the correct one. But what is being asked? Which quantity decreases? Is the current decreasing? No, current is actually increasing. So therefore, this is incorrect. Okay, charge moving through the cell is increasing. Energy transferred to the fixed resistor per unit charge. Energy transferred, let me say W. Energy transferred is W. W per unit charge, which is nothing but W by Q. What is W by Q? W by Q is equal to V. So, is it energy transferred to the fixed resistance per unit charge? The potential difference at the resistor. Okay, so it is decreasing. Is it decreasing? No, it's not decreasing. It's increasing, as already told. Therefore, this is also incorrect. The intensity of the light incident on the LDR, even more amount of light will fall onto it. Definitely what will happen? The LDR becomes a lesser resistance, shows a lesser resistance. More current will fall through it. Okay, that's the correct answer. The intensity of the light does not decrease, it increases. So this is also not correct. So the last one should be the correct one. Very simple. Or if you want to still verify, you can say terminal potential difference, TPD across the cell increase. What is the TPD given by? Terminal potential difference is given by V equal to E minus IR. Now what is this? This is R over here. When I increases, definitely V should decrease, right? Okay, so therefore, so V will now decrease. D is the right answer.